Okay, this video is as you requested, showing how I tested and what I found wrong with this thing. So for doing the testing, I was using the manual controls that come with it. So we have it all hooked up, so when I press the A, or the X-axis, you see, you don't get anything. Hold it, I'll do it. Give it just the slightest bit of help with it. And it's okay, it spins fine. We go the other way. You get little spots like that where it just starts binding up. And it's flipping the opposite direction. Again, just give it the tiniest bit of bump and it goes back eventually. And show you for the A axis real quick. Works fine. But if we power it off and switch any of them to the X axis, we'll go in here. Now when we run it, here we go. It goes through it just fine. And then the problem is once it hits what should be the limit stop, it goes and it just keeps trying to bind. So the limit stop saying that it's supposed to close up and close the loop on the electrical circuit isn't working on either side. And then for the X-axis over here, you give it the slightest bit of resistance. On either direction. Now, if we switch it back over, and yes, I have tried switching it among different axes to different motors, and whichever one is going into the X-axis is always the one that has the biggest problem. Now again, flipping power back on with the A. The motor has more than enough power to spin itself and my hand as well as everything else. The final problem we have is we bring the Y-axis all the way down. This might take a moment here, but when it comes to line up with here, or if I bring it all the way to the positive side up here, you can see that they don't line up square. Like it needs to be knocked over a tooth or two on its adjustment line. I didn't know if there's a way to realign this, or if there's a that's what I'm looking for. If there's a procedure for doing so, but we'll see here in a moment. And it closes up the gap. You look vertically at it, you can see how this side's already over and that side's got plenty more to go. And then again with this one, next axis hits the stop limit and doesn't do anything. So let me know if you need me to do anything to line things back up, or what we need to do if I need to send you anything, or if you would like parts modified or sent to me for replacement. But thank you very much, and hopefully I'll hear from you guys soon.